If you're working on a painting and it just doesn't look right, maybe too dark, or you can't quite pinpoint why, a great tool to use and to check yourself would be a value scale. You can buy it in the store or you can even make one yourself. A good painting, a balanced painting, will have a value range from darkest darks to lightest lights, which will be your highlights. And then it will have at least three values in between, and they can lay on the darker scale or on the lighter scale. It doesn't matter. The important thing is to have a range. So what you do is you look at your painting, or you can even make a black and white copy of it with your cell phone or with a copy machine with your printer, and then you put the value scale on it, and you should be able to find at least 5 values. So one of the secrets of success in painting or drawing is full value range from light to dark and at least 3 shades in between.